to Chang Fun Learning Chinese for Beginners course. In the last video, we learned the vowels and pinyin initials. Let's do a quick review. Can you pronounce these vowels by yourself? You can pause the video right now and then try to pronounce them by yourself. Okay, let's pronounce them together and see if you got them right. A, wo, i, u, and the last one, ü. Okay, and then we talked about the initials. We needed the vowels to help us to pronounce them. Just like for the BPMF, we need the wo to help us, right? So can you try to pronounce these initials by yourself? You can pause the video for now. Try your best, and then we'll pronounce together. Okay, let's try to pronounce these initials together, okay? Bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, ji, qi, xi, zi, ci, si, zhi, chi, shi, zhi. Now we need to put the initials and the simple vowels together, and let's see if you are able to pronounce them. Are you ready? 准备好了吗? You can pause the video right now and then just try to pronounce all of them, and then we will pronounce them together. Go ahead, pause the video. Let's try to pronounce them row by row, okay? First row here, ja, ja, cha, cha, sha, sha, za, za, ca, ca, sa, sa. Then this row here, zhe, zhe, che, che, she, she, re, re, ze, ze, ce, ce, se, se. Then next row, ji, ji, qi, qi, xi, xi, zhi, zhi, chi, chi, shi, shi, zi, like buzzing, zi, ci, beatboxing, ci. Then the last one, snake hissing, si, si, like when you say silk, si, si. Okay, and then the u, zhu, zhu, chu, chu, shu, shu, ru, ru, zu, zu, cu, cu, su, su. Okay, the last one. Let's see if you pronounce them right. Ju, ju, because this vowel pronounces yu by itself. So when we put ji and yu together, it's ju, chu, chu, shu, shu. Did you pronounce all of them right? If not, please practice more about the ones that you didn't do right. In the next video, we will learn more compound finals, and then we'll practice more to put the compound finals with the initials together. I'll see you in the next video. 再见。